Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your left and right earbuds are different. And firstly, you need to update software version to the last version. And to do this, open HONOR AI Space application. If you add your earbuds to the application, you will see them at the device list. Now tap on it, and right here at the right bottom we have update. Click on it and click check for updates. It check for updates and it said that I have the last software version. If you haven't, just install a new one and it can fix your problem. If it doesn't or you haven't new software version, the next step is to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, put your earbuds to the charging case and do not close the lid. At the back side of each earbud we have touch controls right here and right here. And you need to press and hold both of these touch areas for at least 10 seconds until this light starts blinking red. So I am press and hold. Firstly, it enters to pairing mode, so it starts blinking white. It's okay, just keep holding these touch areas. And now we have the red LED light. You can release your finger. And firstly, we need to remove these earbuds from the phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth. And right here at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget the device and forget device. If you have Android, click pair new device. At the top you will see this button. And after a factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically. So we don't need to enter pairing mode manually, we just tap at these earbuds at the device list. And we did it. Now, if both of these methods didn't help you, the last one is to fully charge your earbuds. And after that, check if their battery levels are the same. It's good. If it's not, I recommend you to contact customer service. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!